comes home and he'll see she sleeps right up there with me, and unless the other boys are here, because if Batty and Buddy are here, then they sleep up there with me. She sleeps down here because she lets them push her around when we go to bed for some reason. I don't know why. But the boys will like snuggle up into my belly and you know and
Hey, Dad,
Dad comes, so Dad pushes her down here. She sits there, she'll go like this, she'll stretch. And she'll go, curl up, pull herself up further. Then she'll wait a while and she'll stretch again, and she'll pull herself up closer. It's funny. Because she doesn't do that when it's just me. That's when it's Daddy.
I wonder if Gal wanted that.
She's more like me. She doesn't like. I mean, she wants you to be there, but she doesn't want you to touch her. You know, she likes her own space. Come on, baby.
Mama, watch Bud.
I don't want to. I have to figure out what I'm gonna make you guys for dinner, so I've got it planned before I forget it.
Mama, watch Bud. Mama, watch him.
Are you playing with Wiener? Yeah.
I was thinking it would do something, but apparently not. He's like,
Because I'm used to it. She licks it all the time.
I gotta wash my hands now. That's disgusting.
Touch Holly and Aaron and Bud.